Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create AI videos using the Runway ML as a beginner. Let's get started. First, open the Runway ML on your browser and sign in with your account. Next, go to the Gen 2 or text to video feature. Then here, type a prompt like create a cinematic scene with a realistic style and whatever idea that you like. Click Generate and Runway ML will create a short AI video based on your prompt. You can also upload an image and use image to video to animate it. And after that, you can customize your video by adjusting the style, motion, and duration. Preview your video and generate a different versions until you get the result that you like. Once satisfied, click export to download your video. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.